If you want to add some versatility to your salads and also increase the protein, then I've got the recipe for you. Hello everyone, I'm Deborah. Welcome to my kitchen where we are going to add to our summer salad menu with this high protein steak salad. You guys, I saw this recipe on all of social media and it is all the rave right about now. To me, it seems like it is a chickpea cucumber salad on steroids because it has all of the ingredients of a chickpea salad, but it's got the extra boost of protein because you add in steak. So you guys, all the ingredients that you need are up there on the screen. Come in close and let's cook. Before we get started in putting the sauce together, let me just say for the sake of time, because I have a really crazy hectic schedule outside of the home, what I did is yesterday I did some prep work. So what I did is I cut up the cucumbers, I sliced some red onions, and I cut up the tomatoes. I also went ahead and took the fresh parsley and I chopped it up. Then you guys, if you have ever had roasted chickpeas before, or if you've never had roasted chickpeas before, I had never either until this particular recipe. If you've not had them before, you are missing out. Oh my gosh, so delicious and so easy to do. All you do is take the can of the chickpeas, you rinse them, you dry them, and then what you do is you add your seasoning. So what I added to these was some garlic powder, onion powder, some paprika, then you sprinkle on some olive oil, put them in your air fryer for about 20 minutes on 400 degrees, halfway through, shake them. And you guys, you have got something that is so spectacularly good. Once again, if you've never tried them before, you are missing out. Okay. Now, having said that, everything is prepped. Come in close and let's go ahead and put this sauce together. Okay, in my mixing bowl, I already have my chopped parsley. Into it, we are going to add some extra virgin olive oil. And you guys, make sure you get yourselves a good extra virgin olive oil that is packed with polyphenols. I got this particular one off of Amazon. The taste is absolutely phenomenal. All right. Next, we're gonna add some red wine vinegar, some fresh oregano, and of course, if you have a mortise and tenon, you can use that as well. But I want to get this kind of fine. Also, what it does is it releases all of this flavor. And it smells phenomenal when you do this. And the only thing that we have left for this sauce, is some salt and pepper to taste. Give it a mix to combine everything. So good. Okay, this is ready. So I'm gonna set this aside and then I'm gonna move on to tenderizing this meat. All right, everybody, so this is the steak that I'm gonna be using. It is a thin cut of chuck, and if you know anything about steak, it can be tough. So one of the things that we can do to tenderize it is to put a mallet to it. And what it does is by putting a mallet to it, it will break up the fibrous tendons in it. And then that helps make the meat more tender when we cook it. So I'm just gonna lay them out. Then I'm gonna cover it with some plastic wrap. And then we are going to proceed to pound this meat. All right, and we just simply proceed to pound it. And you can see the difference already. All right, that looks good. Up next, we're just gonna season it. And my seasonings for this is gonna be really, really simple. It's going to be some salt, garlic powder, and some black pepper. All right, I'm gonna flip it and do exactly the same thing on the reverse side. Okay, now this is ready to cook. So I'm gonna bring this over to the stove, and then we're gonna get ready to put all of the ingredients together for the salad portion of this. I'll be right back. All right, everyone. Bringing over my mixing bowl, and I'm going to start just layering in these ingredients. So I've got my cucumbers here, and I had mentioned that I had cut these and sliced them yesterday. I also added a little bit of salt to them too. Helps extract some of the liquid, and also it's great for the flavor. So I'm going to be careful when I take these out. There's a little bit of liquid left in this bowl. I'm going to try to leave that behind. Okay, perfect. Then we've got our red onions, tomatoes, and these are fresh from our garden, so you can definitely use the grape tomatoes or the cherry tomatoes. But again, because these came from our garden, I just sliced them up, and it doesn't get any better than homegrown. All right. And the only other thing that we have is we're going to add our meat. Then after that, we're going to add that delicious sauce, that chimichurri sauce. And then we're going to add roasted chickpeas. Okay, so meet me over at the stove, and we're going to cook that meat. Okay, to our skillet, we're going to add some avocado oil. And then add in our meat. And I'm going to cook this for about 3 minutes per side. Okay, let's flip this over. A couple more minutes, and then this batch will be ready. Okay, this is ready. So I'm going to take this and move it off to my platter, let it rest while I cook the rest of this meat. All right, everyone. So while this meat rests, I have already gone and started to clean up this kitchen so that once I finish this salad, a long, hectic day, I am going to make myself a nice, healthy plate. And I'm going to sit down and I am going to rest and enjoy the salad. So give this a few minutes and I will be right back with you to put on the finishing touches. Okay, let's go ahead and get this meat sliced. Okay, I'm gonna do exactly the same thing with the rest of this meat, and then we'll be putting the rest of the salad together. Okay, let's finish off this salad. Let's add in the steak, this dressing, and let's give this a toss. Let's get everything well combined. And just when you think it cannot get any better than this, you guys, do you see this? Right? Oh my gosh. Okay. We are going to add in these roasted chickpeas. And with this, good people, it is time to eat. All right, everyone. This is amazing. Again, if you want to add some versatility to your salad menu and boost your protein, I can't think of a better way to do it than with this steak salad bowl. Let's give this deliciousness a taste. Lord, I thank you. That is sheer perfection, you guys. I absolutely love a chickpea salad. As a matter of fact, if you've not made it before, I've got a phenomenal recipe up there in that card. Check it out. But once again, if you want to add some more meat, okay, to this recipe that's more filling, and it will serve as the main course all by itself, whereas the other one is more like a side. Add the meat to it, you guys, because this is superb. And what I did is I brought out a couple other additional ingredients just in case you want to add a little more versatility to it. I brought out some feta cheese just in case you wanted to put some of that in there. I also brought out some sun-dried tomatoes. You can also put that in there as well, or just eat it as is. You guys, let me know if you try this, or let me know if you already have by leaving it in the comments. And then you guys, if you're not just subscribed to this channel and you enjoy what you are finding here, wholesome recipes that will support our bodies as we age, along with some phenomenal exercise routines, and you're not just subscribed, hit the subscribe button below. And also, please do share this channel with those that you feel would benefit from what we are doing here. And I want to thank you guys so very much for being here. And as I always say, it is a great day. And you continue to make it your own kind of special and enjoy. So good, you guys. Get my water, and I'll see you guys real soon with my next recipe.